Imagine you're the headmaster of a top school, a position you've held with pride for 24 years. You're a figure of authority, or role model. Then, one morning, in front of the entire student body, you completely break down in tears. What could possibly cause such a respected leader to unravel? Today, we're diving deep into the powerful Nigerian novel, The Lekki Headmaster by Kabir Alabi Garba. This isn't just a story. It's a mirror reflecting the realities many Nigerians face today. We'll explore the intense pressures, the moral dilemmas, and the ultimate choice between personal dreams and professional duty. Stick around, because this story of integrity and redemption will have you questioning what you would do in his shoes. Our protagonist is Bepo, the esteemed headmaster of Stardom Schools in Lekki. He's the very soul of the institution. The story opens at a typical morning assembly. An SS1 student, Ikenna, has just finished a speech about his school trip to Jos. As usual, Bepo steps up to the microphone to add his signature polish, his words of wisdom. But this time, something is different. Instead of a powerful speech, the students and staff are met with silence, then uncontrollable sobs. The assembly dissolves into shocked whispers. Why is the unshakable Mr. Adewale crying? To understand his breakdown, we have to rewind. Nigeria is in the grip of the Japa wave, a mass exodus of professionals seeking better opportunities abroad. And Bepo is right in the middle of this storm. His wife, Seri, and their children have already relocated to London. They are constantly pressuring him to join them, to leave behind the country and the school he has dedicated his life to. The pressure is immense, the loneliness is crushing. Adding to his turmoil, a tempting job offer from a UK school lands in his inbox. It's a golden ticket, a chance to reunite with his family and escape the mounting challenges in Nigeria. But Bepo is haunted by nightmares, vivid dreams of a different kind of life overseas, not one of prosperity, but of modern-day slavery, a loss of dignity and identity. He's torn between his family's desires and his own deep-seated fears. Back at Stardom Schools, the pressure isn't just personal, it's professional. The school's managing director, a formidable woman, is on the warpath. She storms onto the campus and notices 17 expensive cars parked in the teacher's lot. Her immediate suspicion: theft. She believes some staff members are living beyond their means through dishonest side hustles. Her solution is swift and brutal. She begins a purge, sacking teachers she deems underperforming, like the perpetually late Mr. Funso Daniels. Even Mrs. Fafori, a dedicated teacher, is nearly fired on the spot for a minor grammatical slip, a testament to the ND's exacting and sometimes unforgiving standards. Bepo, as the headmaster, is caught in the crossfire, trying to mediate, protect his staff, and maintain morale in a climate of fear. And then there are the parents. The parents. Bepo has to navigate a minefield of bizarre and often unethical requests. Take Mr. Ignatius, a wealthy parent who drops a bombshell. He wants a DNA test for his child, convinced the boy isn't his. He expects the school to facilitate this deeply personal and disruptive family drama. Then there's Mr. Ogo, another parent, who approaches Bepo with a truly shocking proposition. He offers Bepo an obscene amount of money, not for extra lessons, but for a fetish growth boost for his son. He wants the headmaster to participate in a ritual to magically enhance his child's academic performance. Bepo is appalled. These encounters highlight the corruption and moral decay seeping into every corner of society, even the hallowed halls of education. He is constantly battling to uphold the integrity of his school against parents who believe money can buy anything, including shortcuts to success. The novel gives us glimpses into Bepo's past, showing us the foundations of his unshakable integrity. We see him as a young, impoverished man, so hungry he once ate an EPA electricity bill out of desperation. This memory fuels his drive and his empathy. We also learn why he left his previous job at a school called Bisway. He quit after witnessing the school SMD performing a bizarre midnight ritual with a cow on the school grounds, a discovery that solidified his resolve to never compromise his principles for a paycheck. These flashbacks build a portrait of a man forged in hardship, a man whose moral compass is his most prized possession. Overwhelmed by everything, Bepo seeks counsel from his pastor, Mr. Opwand, trying to find a spiritual anchor in his sea of troubles. But the nights offer no respite. Late-night video calls from Seri in London are filled with emotional pleas and ultimatums. She paints a picture of a perfect life waiting for him, a life free from the daily struggles of Nigeria. She just can't understand his hesitation. To her, he is choosing his job over his family. The emotional weight is almost too much for him to bear, leading directly to that tearful morning at the assembly. As the story progresses, external factors add to the chaos. The school is eventually forced to shut down temporarily due to impassable roads, a stark reminder of the failing infrastructure that plagues the country and complicates daily life. Yet, even with the school's gates closed, Bepo's legacy and influence on his students and loyal staff members endure. And what about the corrupt parent, Mr. Ogo? In a chilling twist, we learned his fate years later. He was exposed and arrested for murdering a client during a fertility ritual that went wrong. This revelation serves as a grim confirmation of Bepo's righteousness. His refusal to take the shortcut, to accept the dirty money, saved him from being entangled in a web of crime and darkness. It's a powerful statement on the dangers of abandoning one's principles. The central theme of the novel is clear: the Japa syndrome. It captures the dilemma faced by countless Nigerian professionals. Do you stay and fight for a better future in the country you love, despite its flaws? Or do you leave for the promise of stability and security, even if it means sacrificing a part of yourself? The book doesn't offer easy answers, it just lays out the raw, unfiltered reality. The climax of the story builds towards what everyone believes is Bepo's inevitable departure. A grand farewell ceremony is organized at the school. Students, teachers, and even the stern MD deliver heartfelt tributes, celebrating his 24 years of service. Everyone assumes he has finally given in to the pressure to join his family. The goodbyes are emotional, tear-filled. Bepo Adewale, the Lekki Headmaster, is leaving. He packs his bags, he says his final farewells. He gets in a car and heads to the airport, the final act in his long and storied career at Stardom Schools. The journey is tense, the finality of his decision hangs heavy in the air. This is it, but then, something incredible happens. He's on the road to the airport, on the verge of a new life. When he tells the driver to turn back, he can't do it. The following Monday morning, the students gather for assembly, a cloud of sadness hanging over them. But as they look towards the stage, they see a familiar figure walking towards the microphone. It's him. It's Bepo Adewale. A ripple of disbelief turns into a roar of celebration. The students erupt in chants of Headmaster, Headmaster. They surge forward, lifting him onto their shoulders in a wave of pure joy and relief. With a voice full of renewed purpose, he looks at his students and declares, "I am back to complete my mission." From the sidelines, the once critical MD watches, a rare smile gracing her lips. The heart of Stardom Schools is back. The Lekki Headmaster is a profound story about how duty can sometimes triumph over dreams, and how one person's integrity can be a powerful anchor in a turbulent world. Bepo Adewale chose his students, his mission, his country. He chose to stay and fight. This story really makes you think. To stay or go debate is a real one for so many people. What's your take? Have you ever faced a similar choice in your own life? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If this story resonated with you, please give this video a like, share it with someone who needs to hear it, and subscribe for more deep dives into incredible true-to-life stories. Thanks for watching.